Oh, it's murder. Yeah, it's murder. Somebody tell 'em it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.
Officer, I didn't do it, you can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up the handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you want, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation is exactly what you will get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you get no reply. You've obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crack dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me, no BFI. If you're not guilty of anything, then why did you run? Cause you're the police, and plus I saw you cocking your gun. And the chamber wasn't empty, it was obviously one. If you think I'm leaving that one, then you're obviously dumb. I know you heard the sirens, you dived into the vehicle you was trying to ride in. And said you shouldn't be whining, but abiding by the law, now it's obvious that you're lying.
So much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful, it'll be history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder. Oh, it's murder. Yeah, it's murder. Somebody tell 'em it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.
Stop lying to me, boy. Be best you confess. I can smell the BS on the scent of your breath. Saw the meth while I was inspecting your deck. Saw that you was riding dirty when I looked at the rest. Who is this guy Buster? Who is this guy Snoop? Who is his other friend who's wearing a sky blue? Look at this big here, he's standing beside you. Tell me his name now, I heard he was Paru. Confiscated the CDs and wanted your homes for evidence ever since we heard some of your songs. What about this pimp guy? He's on one of your songs. I could have sworn that he said he had a pocket full of stones. Am I wrong? Hell yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know no Pimp C. All I know is I'm rich and I'm a Bond like James. Bet I'll be out here quick. Man, you ain't getting out of here. You must think that you're slick.
And they call it confiscated the chronic and the clips diary that you had and all your blueprints on the death row booklet was found with your toothbrush, your thumb and your index. The judge will love this.
With so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful, it'll be history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder.
Bloody murder.
Oh, it's murder.
Bloody murder.
Yeah, it's murder.
Bloody murder.
Somebody tell 'em it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.
Now you can see you're screwed as the evidence pours in. The witness to the crime was at 3 in the morning. Gave us a description, so we picked up your boy and you'll get a lighter sentence if you put the crime on him.
A big celebrity, a case we long for. You a pirate? Why you got that eye patch on for?
Funny, putting people in a hearse, what I heard for.
What were you the night of April 21st, son?
I think you got your facts wrong. Cats on you, chameleonaire, rob shot, couple cats on Millview. What? We gonna have to jail you two. In the lineup, don't speak until we tell you to.
This is the person who gave me your lock, sir.
Well, it was dark, it kinda looked like him, I'm not sure.
Failing to nail cause a cell is another. Leave I see an unmarked tail in the brother.
It's a bodega, not no more game. This chick used to be nice, acting all strange. Like she was gonna get it. Pathetic, I sell in court, now they all apologetic.
There's so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful, it'll